If you're seeking for the perfect student accommodation in Sheffield, Straits Manor can indeed be your safest bet. It's an ideal place to start your student life since it's nestled in the heart of the city. This property offers elegant en-suites and studio rooms for students who want some privacy with their own bathroom and kitchen. You'll have access to excellent on-site amenities such as ultra-fast Wi-Fi and communal dining rooms, allowing you to conveniently prepare that late-night snack. Furthermore, this opulent student housing includes an on-site fully equipped gym, a cinema room, as well as a games area. The property hosts social events such as movie evenings, pizza nights, on a regular basis, allowing you to meet new people and make new friends in this lovely setting. Your new student accommodation will be within walking distance of all daily needs stores, restaurants, pubs, as well as mesmerizing cultural sites. There is something for everyone at Straits Manor, whether you want to go shopping, watch some football at one of the city's top-rated clubs, or take in the city's burgeoning music scene. Take in everything that Sheffield, a wonderful city, has to offer. Straits Manor is an ideal accommodation as it covers everything you need under one roof. AmberStudent.com can help you book your place. So, get in touch today.